Wakey wakey. Time for self-care day. I will show you a recipe for my ultimate self-care day in Edinburgh on a budget because I am broke. No. So I wake up early, eat some good breakfast, and then I go to the gym. Haha, this year was supposed to be all about my glow up. New year, new me. I even made a video about that, but sadly I was in isolation for 10 days, and this is my first day of freedom. So I've decided to use this day to take care of myself physically and mentally. So gym is a very good start. So I'm doing this incline walking exercise I found on TikTok. It's amazing. It's called 12-3-30. So you do incline 12, speed 3, and you do it for 30 minutes. Oh, that was super awkward to film. So I had a shower. I'm gonna eat something, do my makeup, and then I'm gonna go. Okay, this is quite awkward because this is the first time I actually vlog my day. I don't know. Usually I'm more scripted. I don't know. So yeah, I did my makeup. I think it looks kind of cute. What do you think? And I'm ready to go. Outfit check. I love how there's a graveyard in a middle of the city. So anyways, on self-care days I try to do all the things I like, but also things that I've been putting off, and they're always in the back of my head. I went to pick up a print that I've ordered from my amazing artist friend Pippa. Go check her out, she's so good. And then I went on a very long walk. Oh, I just love how Edinburgh looks like in the winter sun. I honestly feel so blessed living in the city. Just look how gorgeous it is. Okay, coming back to my self-care days. I try to do it once a week, usually on a Sunday. I just schedule this day for myself only. I exercise, I go for walks, I go on a solo lunch diet, and then I do some home spa. And it also helps me start my week better because after a day like that, I'm just super pumped up for the new week. While I was on my walk, I went to this little shop to see what they've got. Look how gorgeous everything is. But because this bitch is broke, she didn't buy anything. And then I was very, very hungry, so I went for lunch. I went to Spoons because it's cheap AF and I like it, okay? Your girl is not that fancy. I really like the interiors. I am not ashamed to eat by myself or go out and by myself, but filming is a different story. But I did want to show you my day, so there you go. It's very awkward. I always ordered the same thing. I don't think I've ever tried anything else apart from pizza, southern fried chicken, and smoky chipotle mayo. Oh, and I feel like I deserved it. I walked for half a day. I don't know. I'm one of those people who when I like something, I will eat it every freaking day. Okay, not the takeout or restaurant, but when I find breakfast that I really like, I will just eat it every day until I'm sick of it, and I'm not gonna ever eat it again. I don't know, that's very weird. I'm just trying not to look at a camera, but also I don't know where to look, so it's very awkward. Okay, this is my first time actually filming myself in public, so. But yes, I'm very proud of myself. I did that. Yes. And then I went back on my walk. I just love this city so much. Oh, me again. I wanted to be very artsy. I honestly don't know what I'm doing there. Please, someone stop me. Yeah, you should be ashamed. Doesn't this just look magical? Oh. Of course, the scaffolding is ruining everything. I don't know what they're doing. I think they're just trying to piss me off. Oh, but yeah, it's still so beautiful. Literally, I love walking in Edinburgh. It makes me feel so happy. And while I was stuck at home, I I don't know, I think it's just like I had a battle on my mental health, not be able to go outside. I am a total homebody sometimes, but like, you know, when I'm told not to go somewhere, I'm such a rebel. Like, then I really, 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 really want to go. I will never get bored of these views, honestly. I honestly feel like a new person today. Oh, I've been waiting for this for so long. So like in December, I went to Poland for Christmas, and then I got back and I was in isolation, and then there was a New Year's Eve, and then I was in isolation again. So I have not seen it in like a month. They are 100% Scottish. It's winter. Filming in public is so awkward. I just can't. Look at the sunset in those windows. Then I went to Superdrug to buy some of like pampering products. Yes, that's a good word, products. I bought some like face masks and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna have like a very, very nice evening with my face mask on and some good movie. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls get boosters. Boosted girls are safe. So I went home, I took off my makeup, and then was the time to light up my candles, do some affirmation, meditation, my night routine. And now I'm just gonna relax and watch a movie. Thanks for watching. It's already 200 of you. That's amazing. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye.